Hi everyone! Today, me and my parents, because it's Boxing Day, are going to go to the mountains, I think. I think there's a waterfall or another reservoir that my parents would like to go see, and if it is a waterfall, I'm so excited. But I really hope that yesterday you had an amazing Christmas and that you got everything that you wished for. I'll basically just run through what I'm wearing today. A lovely Topshop vest tucked in to my American Apparel high-waisted shorts with a belt from Urban Outfitters which has poppers on the back, and then just my Michael Kors watch, and I'll make sure we just throw on some Converse or something, just something comfy, and maybe take a cardigan because if we're going up into the mountains it'll be super cold. This place is absolutely amazing. We literally just stopped off on the way to the waterfall, and yeah, such good food. The pineapple juice was amazing. Iced tea, again, amazing. Absolutely lovely. I had my first pad thai that I've had since I came here this time, and I've been here 4 weeks now. And, oh, I can't believe it. Who would have thought I'd come all the way to Thailand and see some bunny rabbits? How beautiful is this place? This is why I love Thailand so much. My dad just made it to the top of the waterfall. It was so incredible. I really hope you enjoyed the footage. Yeah, I was so knackered when I got to the top. I thought I was going to pass out. Just got in from like one of the best days ever. I feel so lucky that I get to do all these things. Like, yeah, I'm just super lucky. That's all I can say. I didn't really want to aim the camera at my face, that's why I'm filming in the mirror like I did this morning, just because after a long day I don't look too fresh, and you most probably might have seen that throughout the day. If you get a glimpse of my face, I don't know if I'll put those in there. I just got in my pyjama bottoms because I'm so tired, and I will most probably go to bed pretty early tonight, I think. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you continue to watch me while I go on my fun adventures, because I've booked Australia now and I go on the 4th of February and I just can't wait.